Hey, this is Danielle, and today I'm going to show you how I'm managing an NVDA trade that I put on for options expiration. Today's Thursday, and I just put this one on yesterday directly before market close, so it's only been on for a few hours because right now it's 10:53 Pacific time, and it's already up 73%. So this was an overnight trade that I did where I was targeting just a few dollar move here in NVIDIA. Yesterday, NVIDIA was trading right around I think probably were 170 when I put it on, and now it's trading at 173.28. So basically, the idea here was okay, if Nvidia could break through 170, and at the time when I was putting it on, it was just breaking through. Then the next target would be the next high open interest level in the options market, which is at 175. So you can see right here that there's 110,000 contracts, 235,000 contracts here. So that strike is standing out substantially. Because this is an options expiration week, what very often happens is that these big mega cap names will trade directly up into these high open interest values. And so what I went ahead and did is I just placed a pretty small butterfly in the mastering the trade room. This one was $155 a contract times 2 contracts. So right around $300. And this is making right now $224. So when I'm doing a trade that's just overnight, generally try to do it smaller size in the trading room anyway, just because it's an aggressive overnight trade, so it's either going to work or it doesn't. But the idea is, how can you trade this up into that key psychological value? So I placed this butterfly with the long call at 170, the short call at 175, so then that is the target, and then the other long call at 180. So if you look at the charts, you'll see that there was a technical reason to do this. The technical reason to do it, combined with the fact that it's options expiration, was the lower time frame squeeze. So a lot of the time on these tickers, they'll have like 15, 30-minute squeezes directly before the market closes. And when that happens, it usually gaps up the next day. So you can see right here, there was a squeeze. Then today it gapped up. It traded, almost directly to that 175 price point. Got up into 174.16, which was a new high. And so there you go. You have the setup, you have the options education there, and then you have the trade. Now I also see that there was a 15-minute squeeze too. So 15-minute squeeze plus 30-minute squeeze, you just get that high volume breakout. Now today's Thursday. Could I leave it on for one more day? Yeah, I mean, I could for sure leave it on for one more day. It's sitting in a really good spot right now. This is a $5 wide butterfly, and it's going for $2.70. So I could definitely just take off, 50% of it and see if the other half of the trade can continue trading until tomorrow. And then, maybe I could end up closing out this butterfly for $5. I'm going to show you a Palantir butterfly in the next minute, which is actually what I did. It's actually what I did with Palantir. So I had a couple contracts, and I went ahead and took those off, and I left the last one on for the runner. The entry price was 178, and now it's going for 662 because it's down to the last day and it's perfectly at the target. So you could definitely do that as well. It just kind of depends, what your plan is. Are you going to be trading on Friday? How much risk do you want to have on over Netflix earnings? All of those things. So I think because Netflix is reporting and this is already at like a 75% profit, I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. I do want to reduce my risk a little bit ahead of Netflix earnings just in case. You never know. Anything gets a little bit too crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and take profits on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and post that in the trading room. So here we have it. To close, taking profits. It was like 73% profits on the NVIDIA overnight butterfly. Note, this could be left on for another day, but I have met my profit target and I'm going to take it and run. See me fix my grammatical errors. All right, so that's what we have for NVIDIA, and I'll see you in the next video.